6:47 is the time. We are back. And whether you're visiting a new state or you're flying across the world, travel costs are at an all-time high right now. So if a flight delay or a medical emergency or a natural disaster disrupts your plans, what do you do?
Well, this is where travel insurance might help just save the day. And today's 5 on your side, Paul Folger takes a look at what those policies cover and whether they're worth the extra cost.
We all know vacations can be expensive. Flights, hotels, car rentals, even a cruise can quickly run into the thousands of dollars. But what if a medical emergency, a natural disaster, or a mega travel delay disrupts that trip? That's where travel insurance might come in handy. Consumer Reports takes a closer look at what those policies cover, what they don't, and whether or not they're worth your money. It's today's 5 on your side.
We were vacationing, my family and I, in Puerto Vallarta.
Mandy Trahan's trip to Mexico took an unexpected turn when cartel violence broke out, forcing the city into lockdown and shutting down the airport.
And there was kind of a mad rush to try to find your way home, try to find accommodation.
Mandy had travel protection through her credit card, but when she looked closely at the terms, she wasn't sure it would cover an extended stay. Consumer Report says credit card coverage is a good start, but it's often limited. A separate travel insurance policy may cover things like refunds if you prepaid for a vacation, but can't take the trip because of illness or extra hotel nights, meals, or the cost of rebooking a flight if your trip is disrupted. Consumer Report says sites like Insure My Trip and Squaremouth make it easier to compare plans.
Once you find a policy, don't assume that you're covered for everything. Make sure you know what the policy will and won't pay for.
A medical emergency is also worth thinking about. Most health insurance plans, including Medicare, offer limited or no coverage abroad.
Consider a plan that covers medical evacuations, especially if you're traveling outside the United States and won't be around any major hospitals, such as on a cruise.
And if you have a pre-existing condition, check that it is covered. And when comparing plans, choose one that provides primary coverage so you don't have to file a claim with your own health insurance first. Finally, check that the travel insurance company has strong ratings from the Better Business Bureau and AM Best.
I think it's good to be cautious.
For Mandy, the takeaway is to have a better backup plan when things don't go as expected.
Travel insurance is definitely a nice security to have and give you peace.
Consumer Report says if you have a licensed travel or booking agent, they can help you understand exactly what your policy covers so you're not left guessing when you actually need it. We have all of these tips and all of our 5 on your side reports in the KSTP app. Just head to the Featured on 5 tab.
Consumer Report says travel insurance can help cover trip cancellations, as you just heard, travel delays, and other issues, maybe a medical emergency. And we want to know if it's actually worth the extra cost.
Yeah, how do you know if it's worth it? They say that if it can reimburse prepaid trip costs if you have to cancel because of a covered illness or emergency, then it's probably worth it. Can it help cover extra hotel nights or meals, transportation expenses if your travels are disrupted? Does it provide protection if flights are delayed or canceled or need to be rebooked? Does this insurance give you a financial backup plan when unexpected events affect a trip? And can it provide a peace of mind, especially for international travel and cruises, or those really like once-in-a-lifetime expensive trips that you take?
That we were just talking about. Yeah, travel insurance can also add to the cost of the trip, remember. How can viewers decide whether it's actually worth purchasing for their vacation?
Well, they say this, too. Consider the overall cost of your trip. How much money would you lose if your plans changed? Can you afford to lose that, or would that be really detrimental? Travel insurance may be especially valuable for international travel. Think cruises and trips with significant prepaid expenses. And if you have a pre-existing medical condition, maybe you want coverage for unexpected health issues that could pop up. They say compare multiple policies, choose coverage that matches your destination, your health needs, your travel risks, and if you're concerned at all about unexpected events like natural disasters that could affect your travel plans, they say travel insurance is a good suggestion.
And you can find that full report linked on our website at minnesotalive.com.
Another live look from Duluth here at 9:51. Hello and good morning. We're back right after this.